Hey, what is going on? This is your boy Lewis. We are World Live, baby. That's right. Okay, so today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to delete your temporary files on Windows. This is gonna work on any version of Windows. Okay, so let's go ahead and come down here to the left, to the bottom left hand side right here, and you're gonna go ahead and apply that command. It's gonna be percent the word temp, lowercase letters, and then another percent sign right there. So it's percent temp percent. And if you don't have this search box for any reason, go ahead and press the Windows plus R, and then just go ahead and type it in. Okay, either way it's gonna be the exact same thing. All right, so let's go ahead and do this right there. And then once you go ahead and apply that command, go ahead and press enter. You should be in Windows C users, your name, and then make sure it has that temp, because that's going to mean that you are in your temporary files folder. So then right after that, just go ahead and press Control A, and then that's going to go ahead and highlight all of that right there. These are all of your temporary files. Okay, so make sure right after you have them highlighted, press the delete button, and then it's not going to delete some of them because you need those for the Windows operating system. So as you can see right there, these are going to be, some of these keys right there are necessary for your operating system, but as you can see, it eliminated a lot of temporary files. So just go ahead and exit right after that, and then just go ahead and empty your trash bin right there. Once you go ahead and apply that command right there, go ahead and restart your computer. You should definitely be able to see how it makes a difference, because things are going to be running much faster. Okay, so that's my time right there, baby. Hit the like button. Okay, thanks a lot.